And to begin with, let's surprise a friend with the help of an ordinary photograph. To do this, you just need to arrange a small photo shoot and take pictures of your friend from different angles. Print out the pictures. Print the photo in black and white so it'll be sharper. Choose the best photo. Take a piece of plastic of the same size. Put it on the picture. Now you need a black marker. Be sure it's a permanent marker. Trace the outlines of the picture on the glass. Decorate the picture in bright colors. Make the hair bright yellow, the eyebrows blue, and the lips red. Decorate the skin of the face with orange dots. The portrait turned out bright and very modern. Put a sheet of colored paper under the plastic and insert it in the frame. Your friend will be pleased and surprised. The portrait turned out incredible! Are you and your friend bored? Here's an idea of double the fun. You will need a piece of cardboard and wide rubber bands. Fasten the rubber band to the piece of cardboard. Use hot glue. Make 2 of these boards with elastic bands. Put the cardboard skis on your feet. And go on a ski tour of your apartment. Playing this fun game will test if you are ready to work in a team and move in sync. It'll be really fun. For the next life hack, you will need a piece of styrofoam. Draw an umbrella with a black marker. Carefully cut through the outlines. Cut out a matching piece from a square of polka dot fabric. Apply the fabric to the picture. Using an awl, insert the edges of the fabric into the slots. Choose bright and unusual prints and do the same with the rest of the umbrella. Create a plain background. Insert the patchwork picture into the frame. This technique is very similar to patchwork and quilting. Now you can create whole pictures with pieces of cloth, and you don't even have to sew. The fabric is secured onto the styrofoam without a single stitch. How about playing with balloons? Inflate them. Secure and twist the balloons with clothespins. With the help of some tape, attach a straw on the ball. Now you need thread. Pass the thread through the straw. Attach the end of the thread to the wall using tape. Secure the second end on the opposite wall. Ready, steady, go! At the same time, remove the clothespins from the balloons. The balloons deflate and under the action of jet air, raise the thread up. Make bets on whose balloon will get to the finish line first. And now let's prepare a sheet of white cardboard, a ruler, and a pencil. Mark up the sheet with dots. Make holes through the dots. Put a pink thread in a needle. Make colorful stitches on the cardboard. Change the color of the thread to blue and continue to sew on the cardboard. Alternate the colors of the threads to make the panel as bright as possible. Stitch the entire sheet to the end and insert the picture into a frame. A masterpiece made out of cardboard and thread looks very unusual. Next up is a life hack with a sheet of paper and a flashlight. Go over the flashlight on the sheet. Draw a grid of squares around the outline. Cut off the excess. Bend along the lines. Draw a heart in the center of the sheet. Draw a smaller heart inside it. Put a piece of styrofoam under the paper and pierce the outline of the design with a pin. Fold along the lines and fasten it to the lens of the flashlight. Use tape. Turn off the lights and enjoy the amazing laser show on the wall. Experiment with patterns, bright stars, circles, whatever you can think of. Next, you need 2 coloring pictures. We chose pictures of Cinderella and Ariel. Draw lines on the paper and make sure they're even distances apart. Color the drawings with markers. Cut along the marked lines. Glue the strips onto a clean sheet of paper, leaving spaces of the same width between them. Fold the fan exactly along the lines. Hot glue the picture to the photo frame. The effect is very interesting. If you look at the picture from different angles, it changes. But it's beautiful from any angle. For the next idea, we need a sheet of colored cardboard. Draw strips 2 inches wide. Cut the cardboard. Apply hot glue to the edges of the strips. Glue the ends at a right angle. Intertwine the strips with each other, bending every other edge. It should end up looking like this. Fasten wooden skewers along the edges. Print a picture of a dachshund. Cut along the outline and remove the middle part. Glue the parts of the picture on both sides of the cardboard design. Use hot glue. It turned out to be a funny dachshund with a spring in the middle. Look how it stretches! And you can also make a fire-breathing dragon. It all depends on your imagination. Do you want a YouTube button like this? You can have one, but it'll be made from some other material. Print a template of the button. You will need a box cutter, a pencil, and a file. Outline the template on a piece of styrofoam. Draw a triangle in the middle. Cut it out along the outline. Trim the edges. The result is a button like this. Cut it in half and make small indentations. Also cut the triangle out of styrofoam. Paint the button red. Paint the triangle white. Add a drop of paint to some Elmer's glue and mix. Add a spoonful of borax. Mix it into slime. Gently place the slime in the indentations. A bright, stretchy slime in a YouTube container is ready. Who wouldn't want to become famous and be a real YouTube star? I am telling you this as the well-known video blogger, Wolfman. Like and subscribe to my Woof Woof channel. And for the next fun idea, we'll take yarn. Stretch the yarn along the hallway. Attach the ends of the threads to the walls. Use some wide tape. And now we will test you for resourcefulness and flexibility. Climb through between the laser beams, trying not to touch the yarn with any part of your body. Yeah, Ocean's 11 can't relate. But then you and your friends can act out gaining secret entry into a bank vault with countless treasures. But for this you need to go through this hallway with a yellow laser alarm system. We promise that it will be fun. And for the next life hack, you need a frame. Disassemble it and set aside everything that you don't need. With a hot glue gun, glue the glass inside the frame. You will need some fine colored sand and glitter. Pour the sand on the glass. Add white glitter. Sprinkle the top with colored sequins. Place a magnet inside the frame. Cover it with another glass. Seal with the hot glue gun. Insert the backdrop. Fasten it with hot glue. The result is an unusual sand drawing tablet. And as an artistic tool, you can use another magnet. Move the magnet on the sand and get unusual drawings. You can draw on the sand even if a trip to the beach is still very far away. And now you need a sheet of thick cardboard. Print a picture with a rainbow troll. Trim the multicolored hair, cutting out the middle of the picture. Cut a colored piece of cardboard into strips. Fasten the strips to the cardboard. Next, take some white paint and fill a Ziploc bag with it. Close the bag and distribute the paint inside. Put the bag with paint on the colorful strips and put a frame with a troll on top. The result is a cool drawing device. And instead of a brush, you can use any items. Now, the troll's hairstyle depends only on your creative thought. For the next idea, you need 3 plastic bottles and straws. Hot glue 2 plastic caps together. Drill 2 holes. Insert the straws one into the other. Seal the joint with hot glue. Insert the glued straws into the holes, placing them at different levels. Secure it with hot glue. Screw the cap on the bottle. Cut off the neck from the second bottle. Fasten it with glue to the bottom of the third bottle. Make the holes. Connect the straws like this. Strengthen them with hot glue. Use some modeling clay to seal joints. You should now have a construction like this. Add some dye to water. Fill the fountain with the tinted water. In order to do a DIY Heron's fountain, you need to add water to the upper bottle. Enjoy the view of a fountain operating without electricity. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss any new videos on Troom Select.